A PAC, porting authorization code, is a 9-character code needed to transfer your mobile number to another network. Getting a PAC code from EE is now primarily done digitally. You can obtain it through the My EE app or the EE website. Both methods provide the code instantly if your account is in good standing. This streamlined process aligns with Ofcom's regulations for faster number portability, typically completed within 1 to 2 working days. The PAC code is free and doesn't cancel your EE service until the new provider confirms the transfer. Make sure you are the account holder with an active EE SIM and owe no more than £100. To get your PAC code via the My EE app, download and log in with your EE ID, password, or fingerprint. Navigate to Account, then Manage Your Mobile, and select Port My Number. The code appears instantly. Alternatively, log in to your EE account on the EE website and go to Mobile, then Number Portability to generate the code. EE will send the PAC code via SMS and email. All methods use two-factor authentication for security. The PAC code is valid for 30 days, so use it promptly. While live chat support is available, the app and website are the quickest options. Note that high demand may temporarily slow down the app, but EE reports high uptime for PAC requests.